Thank you for joining us for a very short version of our Smart Church demo. This is going to be limited, so if you want to see more features of Smart Church, be sure and watch the video that is called Full Length, and then you'll see more of the information. To begin with, Smart Church is a communication tool for your church. It puts your giving, your member directory, and all of your events conveniently on a phone. And we believe that it helps to grow your church. And so what you're going to see quickly in this demo is just some of the main points, but we're not necessarily going to show you how to use everything in the demo, but this will highlight for you what Smart Church is and what it does. So to begin with, Smart Church Freemium and Premium have three unique differences. In Premium, you have web access, which we'll use for the demo today. In Premium, you also have giving, and in Premium, you have specific church admin controls, which we will highlight briefly, but again, use the full-length version to see more information about what those controls are. For now, we're going to come to the app, and we're going to log in from a website. This is what you can do only in Premium, but your phone app will look very similar to this. And every time that you come to your church, you're always going to land on your church. You're not going to land on somebody else's church, and you're not going to have to search for a church. But you're going to land on your church wall, and the wall is the aggregate of everything happening on your app. So what's great about a wall is that it's very Facebook-like, so people are familiar with it. They'll know how to use it. They'll be able to comment, to like, to broadcast. They'll receive push notifications, and they'll have a voice, so they'll be able to post themselves something to your church wall. So what we've always told people is that most people visit a website once or twice a year. But here, you're going to see that people are going to visit your app once or twice a week, and that's because you're creating a conversation. And so the wall is a great way for people to stay up to date on everything happening in your app, but also to have a conversation online with you, the pastor, as well as with the other members. So skipping over to the events page, here we can look at the coming events. You can see all those here. And again, we have some really great controls and features such as the comment button, which encourages, your members can encourage other people to be a part of that event, the like button, and the RSVP button, which allows you and your other members to know who's already committed to coming to that event, which we've learned has the ability to increase attendance. And then probably the best feature is the Facebook, Twitter, and email broadcast feature. This allows your members to promote the event from their personal social media pages. And then really easily and quickly, we won't show it here, but it's very easy to add a new event. It takes somewhere between 3 and 5 minutes, and it's just very quick, very simple, very easy. So if I go to Profile, this is the most boring page we have. This just lists the information that your visitors would want to know, such as your denomination, worship style, size, address, phone number, website, weekly services, and your staff directory. So again, Smart Church is a great white pages listing or yellow pages listing. You're getting it for free. There's thousands of people that are using this probably in your community in the future, and you want them to just be able to find your church and know what you guys are about. So you can do that all in the free version. Then the followers page. This followers page is private, so I can't see any of their information until they share it with me. So you basically use it just like Facebook. You send connection requests to one another. This protects you from your members that are going to freak out when they find out that you've put all their personal info onto a church app. And you can assure them that it is private until they share it with somebody else, and they have control over what that information is. So for example, Brian Saylor, we can click here, learn a little bit about his phone number, his information, and then he also wants us to connect to him in these ways. So the idea is that this will build community by being a connecting point for your church members. Then finally, the giving page. This is the only page out of the ones that we've just gone through that is exclusive just to the premium version. So here you can see that we put photos with each gift, descriptions, and you can comment on that, which we love because your members can encourage other members to give to the needs that your church has. So with this, we're going to give $300 here. We'll give $65 to register for the women's retreat and $100 here. And it's very simple. It's even simpler when you're on the app. But you click the Give button and it takes you to PayPal, where PayPal provides the security that your members need, but a small church app company cannot possibly provide. So it's way more secure. They don't even have to have a PayPal account. They can just pay with their credit card if they want to. So it's easy to use PayPal and to skip, and your members will love it. So basically that's it. We're not going to go into the management functions and all the different things that you can do there, but it is very simple, very easy. It's a great way to grow your church. You'll see your events grow, you'll see your members grow, and you'll see your giving grow because of this. And ultimately, you'll create some really great and deep and meaningful conversations with your members through this church app. So we hope you'll test it out. And again, if you really want to see all the different features, go to the full-length version, and I would encourage you to watch it to the end. We always do a special offer at some point through the video if you watch the whole thing. So it may be worthwhile for you guys to check it out, especially if you're considering premium. So thanks again for your time, and we hope you enjoyed it.